there YouTube, Tiddlywinksist here. I'm about to tell you about pests inside of your bean plants. OMG. Alright guys, well here we are. Bean plant number 1 that I'm going to talk about. So I've been having problems with a few plants around the garden because I really haven't been spending too much time out here. I'm going to tell you how to get the pests away from your bean plants, alright? So what we're going to do, completely out of focus, is I'm going to grab this and show you. Do you see all those spots that look like bites? Well, that's exactly what these were. And what they are from is this disgusting thing known as a stink bug. It's in the same family as the squash bug, and they suck. They will sit there and hang out on your beans. They don't really like the plants too much, but they love your beans, and they will eat the crap out of them. So I actually don't have any beans left on this plant because either I've taken them all off or they've been eaten. So beans like to also attack okra. So let me show you what you should do, and I'm going to do it right now because it's a great idea and I just kind of found out about it the other day. Ready? Watch. Oh my god, it's magic. It moved. What happened? Okay guys. So if you see what I have it standing next to, that's a tomato plant. Now the smart thing would have been to do is, wow, that's horrible English. Plant your bean plants in with your tomato plants. Now they will go ahead and be symbiotic to each other. Your beans will add nitrogen to the soil, which will grow your tomato plants away faster, of course giving them that green luscious leaves like this tomato plant here has. And in return, stink bugs hate tomato plants, and it will absolutely ruin the stink bug's appetite. So guys, what do? Plant the beans with the tomatoes. Now if you have them in pots and you want to go ahead and do what I just did, put the beans next to the tomatoes. I actually have bean plants here planted next to the tomatoes. This is not indicative of a stink bug right here. This is just old withered leaves because this plant right here is kind of old. But there are no stink bugs on this plant anywhere. You can look through it all over. No stink bugs at all. And there are beautiful little flowers and green beans growing in there, and nothing is on them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Hit the daggum like button, please, because the algorithm hates me. Hit the notification bell on your subscription tab, and I'm out of here.